Hello guys, welcome back again to MJ Crypto. Previously, I talked about the dual trading system whereby we use mean, reversal strategies to actually pinpoint where two coins go against each other. Okay. Now, this is not your usual strategy. If you do not understand this, don't go ahead to practice. Okay. Otherwise, you are going to risk your entire portfolio. All right. Good. So I made a live video on ETH and LTC, and at that particular point after my analysis, they were actually correlated and they gave some good results. So you can actually scalp when you actually get a good entry point, okay, on specific coins. This doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen for some specific coins. Okay, so watch this video to the very end. I made a live video on this and I want you to check it out right now. Let's go, guys. So guys, after making my analysis, I'm going to be shorting LTC and longing Ethereum. All right, I'm just going to be using not more than 2x to actually implement this strategy. This is a live trade, so I'm shorting LTC, which is Litecoin, shorting it with 2x with 50% of my portfolio. So I'm going to click on sell. No stop loss, no take profit, just entering the market like that. Okay, it's 2x. Let me adjust this again. 2x and 50%, boom. So I'm going to click on short, and then for Ethereum I'll do the opposite. I'm going to click on buy, and then use 100%, which is 50% of my portfolio right here. So you can see I've splitted it 250 to 50 each. So I'm buying right now with 250, 2x. Beautiful. So I'm going to let this trade run. It has started already. You can see right here, trade is on. So I'll come back when I'm in profit and show you guys. Yeah, basically this is how this strategy works. Simple and straightforward. So I will leave this trade to run right now, and then when I'm back, I'm going to show you live profits. Let's go, guys. So guys, you can see the pairs have actually started moving into profit already, as expected, right? So I'm going to leave this trade. Possibly it's still going to make more profit, that I know. And when this happens, you're going to see lots of profit. Okay, you're going to see lots of profit. Right now we're moving between $3 to $4 profit, but I'm very sure it's going to go beyond that. So now I'm still waiting. So guys, that was actually one of the pairs we made analysis on, and it was quite amazing because I scalped that signal like crazy. I scalped the hell out of that signal because it was valid for over 6 hours. So I got in, took profit, went out, got in again, took profit, went out. I think I made about $30 thereabouts. Yeah, something like that. So guys, basically this is how it works. And a lot of my students who have actually practiced this strategy, they know what it is to actually make so much money comfortably without risk. Okay, they know what it is to make money stress-free. So guys, you're interested in learning the dual way trading strategy that comes with a mean reversion. Okay, you have to be patient while you're learning. Okay, it's a learning process. Don't skip the learning process and hoping you're going to start making money immediately. No, you actually take a day to learn and master how these things work. All right, so if you're actually interested, the link to my DM is in the description of this video. Send me a DM. I'm going to actually reply you ASAP, and then I fix you up on schedule in my mentorship class for this strategy. Cheers, guys. I love you all so much. Peace out.